Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to another video. It has been 2 weeks since I posted the last video. I apologize. I've just been grinding and trying to get through this last part of summer. I know that sounds pretty crazy because it is summer. You should enjoy it. I'm gonna say I probably didn't enjoy it to its full extent. However, I worked a bunch. I worked in a hotel and a restaurant, and then I also worked at a parking area. So I was a parking attendant. So I'll go through more details. Let's say, guys, kind of experiences I had, and but anyway, because I did that much working, and because I kind of took a little bit of time off of YouTube, was able to really just work. I was able to build up a lot of money. So we're gonna be seeing some awesome car parts coming real soon to the Golf R. I'm loving the car. The car's doing great, as you guys can see, super shiny. We'll do a walk around. So I did recently ceramic coat this car. It is. It has a couple coats, we'll just say that. It has a couple. I also ceramic coated just the face, not the barrel of the wheels, because, if I were to do the barrels, I'd have to pop them off. But, car's looking great. I wanted to keep it looking great because I'm driving to UNH today. Today I'm actually finally moving into my apartment. My summer is officially over, but that's okay because the fun begins now. So moving into my very first apartment, I have 4 other roommates, 5 of us total, and it's a really cool spot. It's at UNH, so yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. So I'll be vlogging along the way, but right now, before we do anything, we have to pack the car. And I actually am taking 2 cars. My parents are taking the Yukon, and I'm taking the Golf R. So we'll show you guys the process of packing the Golf R because I think this car is extremely practical. As you guys can see, we folded the seats down all the way. This is as flat as they get, but what I've been doing is I've been pushing the passenger seat all the way forward, and allows for me to put backpacks in between the passenger seat and the rear seats. And then of course I took the privacy cover and wedged that in between the driver's seat and the rear seats. So that's not going to cause an issue today. That space really I don't use anyway, so. And just like that, we're officially moved out. Which reminds me, I still need to grab that pole. Holy cow, guys. There's so much stuff. We had a big pile of things and now it's all echoey in here. So, yeah, gotta grab my phone. Can't forget the cell phone. Can't forget that, but yeah. So yeah, the car's all packed, the Yukon's all packed, and the next time I'll probably see you guys will be on the road, so stay tuned. All right, now we're leaving. Bye, home. I cannot believe I've spent 6 months at home. I moved back from college this past March, and that was a long time ago. Hard to believe. It feels like it was just yesterday, but you know, it's still wintertime during that, so I guess now it's sunny and warm, but it'll soon turn to fall, and then the warm will go away. Guys, I am unbelievably excited to finally be back at school. I'm gonna miss my family for sure. I'm gonna definitely miss the corgi and definitely miss the garage. But you know what? Those are things that are always there. I'll keep you guys posted kind of on my travels, and like I said, hour 45 to get there. Not too bad, but it'll definitely be exhausting. I'm pretty tired. So anyway, I'll keep you guys posted, and we'll probably be on the highway next time I pick up the camera, so stay tuned for that. Alright guys, so the speed limit is 50 miles per hour, and we're doing a nice big fat 41, averaging 40 I'd say. Because we have to take little Jimmy to, I don't know where, but they're taking forever. Day 2, and we're finally in. We finally moved into the apartment. Well, I wouldn't say moved in all the way, but it's to start. I'll do a full apartment tour once I finally moved in all the way. I'll definitely have one of those videos out. We just gotta do more car videos. We're gonna do more Golf R stuff. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So, with that said, thank you guys so much for sticking around. I know I haven't posted a lot. It's been 2 weeks since the last post. But, like I said, I was trying to finish that job, move in, and now I'm here. And I still got a little bit of moving in to do, but guys, we're here, and the videos are gonna start pumping out. So, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.